Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to unlock the red roll cake recipe in Heartopia. First, make sure you already have the original roll cake recipe and red sugar. You can get this item from NPC Doris, who appears during rainy or rainbow weather. So if you don't know how to find her yet, just check the link in the description for the full tutorial. And once you have everything ready, just go to your house and then just tap on your stove like this. And then next just choose the original roll cake recipe, this one, like this. And then just replace the sugar ingredients, or make sure the sugar ingredients is red sugar like this. And when you're done, just simply tap on start cooking. And then just cook the cake. And okay, like this. After that, you will successfully unlock the red roll cake recipe, and special animations will appear for the first time you cook it like this. And okay, that's it. Super easy, right? If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.